Hi guys, it's your girl sonyaelledee, back in the building after a very long hiatus. I'm so sorry. I am back. For today's video, I've been gifted a whole box of things from iHeart Revolution. It's their iHeart Melon collection. So first up, we've got the eyeshadow palette. It's a nice little selection of shades here. We've got 9 shimmers there, and the rest are mattes. I do think the mattes are actually quite nice. Definitely more of like a summery wash of shimmer kind of palette. You might be able to get like a few colourful smoky looks out of it. And it's just got some really cute melons on the front. I actually really like this packaging. I've also been given 2 of the lip glosses. It looks like they do have a few more. I think there's 5 of them in total, so I've got 2 of them here. Got a clear one and like it's still quite sheer, but it's more on like the strawberry pink kind of side. So I have a lip scrub and lip mask set. This packaging is mad cute. I actually really like these ones. Let's have a smell of this. Oh, okay. I don't know what I was expecting. Obviously it was going to smell kind of watermelon-ish, but this is actually, sometimes when you get that watermelon smell, they go too sweet and it's just a bit sickly. This is a nice imitation of watermelon. A little bit of colour on there. That feels lovely. I'll be using those probably in an Instagram video. I don't know if you guys want to see me scrub the dead skin off my lips on a YouTube video. I don't know. If you do, let me know. I also have a watermelon primer, which I'm showing you the back of for some reason. There we go, there's the front there. The attention to the watermelon aesthetic is quite strong in this collection, which I ain't mad at. I actually quite like it. I'm a big fan of watermelon, so why not have some watermelon themed stuff around my yard. Yeah. We do have a mascara as well, and also a highlighter. That's all the packaging. I'm sure I'll go into them a little bit more later when I'm actually popping them on my face, which is probably what you guys want to see. I wish I had watermelon clips for today, but stars will have to do. So I'm just going to start off by prepping my eye with the Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. Actually quite a decent base this is. Hey, I'm doing something I haven't done in ages, which is a tape look, because I want something elongated. When you're doing a tape look, like what I like to do is just line it up with my bottom lash line, so it's just straight. Zoop. There we go, into the shade Slushy. So I'm just gonna poke that that into my outer corner a little bit here, and like drag it up a little bit as well. That's gone on okay. And I'm gonna go into the shade Drench, and I'm keeping my shades quite high up, utilizing all the space above your crease. Shades have blended together super nicely. Happy with that. And I just want to add a little bit of depth on the inner on the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm just going to go into Splash, which is this red shade here. That's not really doing what I wanted it to do. I was hoping for it to like give me a little bit more deepness down there, but whoops. Hope you know what I mean. PG-13. I'm just tapping a little bit of the Ultimate Eye Base onto my lid. Kind of cut the crease, but it's not cutting the crease. Don't have to be too precise with this. I'm just using a white base because I don't think, because I'm going to go into the lighter shades. Just want to give them all the help I can give them for them to like pop a bit more. So you see now, like my eyes look super, I look like I've got like a more defined lid. It's Sunshine, which is the yellow, and it's hella dusty. Gosh, tapping in, and it's this little tap that on here. Yeah, it's very patchy, quite chalky looking on the eye. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch over to the shimmers instead now, I think, because yeah, here's our little greenish shimmer up here. We can still save it. I'm not sitting here, I'm just like, oh, do I just start again? But no, I think it's still savable. So just going back in with a Morphe brush, I'm just gonna deepen up my outer V with Slushy. Just drag that in over the light shade that I did there, because we don't need that no more. But so yeah, the deeper mattes in this definitely work better than the lighter ones. Yeah, so there we go. I'm digging this a lot more now. And I've just tried to cover up the yellow with the blue shimmer, which is Hydrate. Yeah, the shimmers definitely apply a lot better with your finger. I think that's kind of workable now. Not my best, not my best, definitely not my best. Just gonna pop some liquid liner on. This is just the Essence liquid ink liner. Just had a moment with my liner where I was trying to make it a bit sharper and it just kept on going and going, and now it's like mad long. I'm hoping that it looks okay once I take the tape off, but we'll see together. I don't know. That's actually not too bad. I think because I had the tape on, I probably thought I was doing a lot more than what I actually was doing, so that's okay. We do have a mascara in this collection. Only thing is, this is waterproof, and me and waterproof mascara don't really get on too well, to be honest. It normally irritates my eyes, so I'm not going to try that on. So I'm just using the 5D Lash instead as one of my favourite Makeup Revolution mascaras at the moment. And I've just popped on one of my favourite doll lashes, which is Danielle. Danielle's not, yeah, Danielle. These lashes are bomb. Okay, so going on to the primer. This is a dewy finish primer with watermelon extract. Excited to, oh, haven't even pumped it and can smell that already. I'm just gonna pop that on with my fingers. And oh yeah, let's see how that is. It smells delicious. If you want a tasty face. It feels like it's getting sticky already. It's nice and lightweight as well. I find sometimes with the dewy primers, they can feel quite almost like greasy on your face, but that's very very lightweight. Give that a minute to marinate into the face. So far so good. I really like how my skin's feeling. It's not too tacky. It's not as tacky as the XX Revolution ones, but it's tacky enough to kind of give me the thought that it's going to cling to my foundation. And I'm just going to try that with my Revolution. Oh, that's the wrong one. No. My Revolution Conceal and Glow foundation. This is my favorite Revolution foundation at the moment. Alright, so you got Conceal and Glow in F13. See, I wish all Revolution F13 looked like this in terms of shade. So this for me is a great shade, but I find it's not the same, it's not consistent throughout all their foundations. And I must say, teamed with the primer, I'm definitely getting more of that kind of summer dewy skin, like kind of vibe. I don't know what that means, but I know what that means. So just pop in the Conceal and Define Infinite under my eyes. This is one of my favorite concealers ever. Coverage is just amazing. A little bit goes a long way. Just using a Cosmic Brushes sponge. Still my favorite sponges. These are so soft, wet or dry. I'm just gonna press that out. Tap, tap, tap that in. See, that just blends out so nice. And it goes beautifully with that foundation as well. As you can see, as disgusting as this looks, it looks this way because I use it all the time. I love this still. This is the Fast Base Foundation Stick in F16. Under eye, I'm just going to use the Chocolate Banana I Heart Revolution powder. Pop that on with a powder puff. So for the under eye, gotta do something. I'm actually feeling to just leave it plain, you know. I'm gonna leave it plain. I'm just gonna put some mascara on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop the 5D lash on my lower lash line. So onto, ooh, itchy nose, the highlighter. I got back in my throat there. Onto the highlighter. Oh, unusual. Okay, all right, so we've got a little watermelon slice, which I could actually do with right now. Oh, have a look at that, guys. Two iridescent shades there. One's got more of a green shift, one's got more of a pinky kind of shift. I just want to go into the greeny bit just to see how green are you. Oh. Okay, it's actually quite green, but not in an unpleasant way. I'm not mad at that at all. Yeah, you definitely can see it from like the front. It's giving that kind of shadowy look to it. I don't mind it from the side though. I actually quite like the color of it, but yeah, the way it looks from the front, because it's reading quite green on my skin, that makes me look a bit ill. So let's just clean off the brush there and just see what this pinkier side is looking like, which I think I'm probably going to prefer. Sorry if my mirror's there. I'm not sure what that's looking like from the front properly to you guys. To me, I can't really see that from the front. That green one looks banging from the sides, but yeah, it just looks a little bit too green from the front, I think. Roll over the powdery areas just to make sure I get that good melt. Try a bit more highlighter now. Now my face is a little bit wet. I love that side. So I'm just gonna give the pinkier one a try. Let's see what this is like. Oh, see, that's got more of the sickly watermelon smell, which I'm not a big fan of. Yeah, that's super static. It's super sheer. Can't really see any of the color in that. I can't see you getting much difference between the shades of these, but they feel amazing on. Feels, yeah, definitely more like a lip oil rather than a gloss. Yeah, the applicator is quite nice on the lip. No complaints. Despite the issues that the eyeshadow palette gave me, I quite like the look, how it came out. Eventually, it did take a bit of work to get here. I think my favorite thing from this collection definitely has to be the primer. I'll definitely be putting that in my drawer at the front with the rest of the primers, because yeah, I really love how that feels on my skin. I think that's given a good finish. And the lip balm, oh yeah, that lip balm, if I haven't already, I'm probably gonna have like a shorts or on my Instagram, one of the two, maybe both, who knows. Check both, follow me on both. So that's it for now. Face. Again, many apologies for my hiatus. Probably will go into everything in another video. Not this one, maybe a few videos down the line I'll do a chatty, get ready with me kind of vibe sort of thing. But for now, yeah, we'll just keep it to simple things and all that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the look. Do be sure to check out my other videos, follow me on my other socials, all that business. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to thumbs up the video. It helps me out in the algorithm, lets YouTube know there's something good going on over here. Yeah, that's it, isn't it? Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the final little posy looks and all of that. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye. But I'm gonna miss all that we had.